Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a car that has stirred up a lot of excitement and nostalgia in the automotive world, the 2026 Mazda RX-8. That's right, Mazda has finally brought back the RX-8, and this time it's more refined, more powerful, and more futuristic than ever. Whether you're a fan of rotary engines or just someone who appreciates a well-balanced sports car, this new RX-8 is here to impress on every front. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 RX-8 has undergone a complete redesign, yet it manages to stay true to its iconic roots. The car now features a lower, wider stance with aggressive aerodynamics and sleek flowing lines that give it a bold and athletic presence on the road. At the front, you're greeted with Mazda's new signature grille, flanked by sharp LED matrix headlights that stretch into the fenders, giving it a menacing but sophisticated look. The sculpted hood with functional vents adds a touch of performance flair, while the side profile showcases muscular arches and sleek 20-inch alloy wheels. Mazda has also retained the rear suicide doors, a nod to the original RX-8, but this time with a more seamless integration into the coupe-like silhouette. Around the back, the quad-LED taillights, aggressive diffuser, and dual exhaust tips complete the sporty character, making this car turn heads from every angle. Step inside, and the RX-8 surprises you with a cabin that perfectly blends sportiness with premium comfort. The interior has been designed with the driver in mind, offering a low seating position, a well-contoured flat-bottom steering wheel, and sporty bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara and leather. The dashboard features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a floating 10.8-inch infotainment screen powered by Mazda's latest interface with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system. Ambient LED lighting runs across the dash and doors, enhancing the futuristic vibe. Despite being a performance-focused car, Mazda hasn't compromised on practicality. The rear seats are still accessible via the unique freestyle doors, and while they're not spacious, they offer more room than most coupes in this segment. Materials used throughout the cabin feel high-end, with soft touch panels, brushed aluminum accents, and carbon fiber trim in key areas. Now let's talk about performance, the heart and soul of any RX model. The 2026 RX-8 is powered by a brand new generation of the Wankel rotary engine, now paired with hybrid electric assist. This new rotary-hybrid powertrain produces an impressive 370 horsepower and 310 left of torque, channeled through a rear-wheel drive system and available with either a 6-speed manual gearbox or a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic. Oh wow! Mazda has tuned the rotary engine for better reliability, lower emissions, and more usable torque across the relevant range. The hybrid system also aids in improving fuel efficiency, and with instant torque from the electric motor, acceleration feels sharp and responsive. On the road, the RX-8 is a driver's dream. The chassis feels incredibly balanced thanks to its near-perfect 50-weight distribution. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus and adaptive suspension make cornering razor-sharp and confidence-inspiring. The steering is precise and offers plenty of feedback, allowing you to place the car exactly where you want. Braking performance is equally impressive with ventilated discs on all 4 corners and optional Brembo brakes for those who plan to take it to the track. Mazda has managed to maintain that signature RX handling while improving ride comfort and stability at higher speeds. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through mountain roads, the RX-8 delivers a thrilling yet refined experience. In terms of safety and tech, Mazda has loaded the RX-8 with the latest iActive Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system. These features add a layer of everyday usability and peace of mind, making the RX-8 not just a weekend toy but a car you can genuinely use every day. Now coming to the pricing, Mazda has done a remarkable job of keeping the RX-8 competitive. The base model starts at around $44,000, which gets you the manual transmission, rotary-hybrid powertrain, and a solid list of standard features. So, Step up to the Grand Touring or Launch Edition trims, and you're looking at prices ranging from $50,000 to $55,000, depending on the spec and optional extras. Compared to rivals in the same category, like the Toyota GR Supra or Nissan Z, the RX-8 offers a unique package with its rotary engine charm, usable rear seats, and sleek four-door coupe design. So to wrap it up, the 2026 Mazda RX-8 is more than just a return of a classic nameplate. It's a bold reimagining of what a modern-day rotary-powered sports car should be. It's stylish, quick, tech-savvy, and filled with character. Mazda has nailed the formula here, and if you're looking for something different, something with heritage and a soul, the RX-8 should be right at the top of your list. Let me know in the comments what you think about the return of the RX-8 and whether this is the kind of performance car you'd love to drive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.